Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Stripe API key? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the API key to your Stripe account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you're going to be integrating different softwares, sometimes they require an API key. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your API key, here on the left menu, you're going to click on Developers. It's down here at the bottom. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here at the top, and you want to click on API Keys. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your API key right here, Publishable Key. It's a long string of numbers and letters. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get your API key to your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.